Boana Learning presents Parts of Speech, your grammar essentials. Learning the different parts of speech is being able to recognize and identify the function of each individual word in a sentence. There are 8 different parts of speech. Verbs, nouns, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. The 8 parts of speech are verbs, nouns, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Learning the different parts of speech is important because it helps you communicate more clearly and effectively. By knowing the function of each word in a sentence, you will understand more when you're listening, write better sentences, and become more fluent. Now that we've reviewed the parts of speech and why we should know them, follow along in our next videos for a more detailed description of each. Subscribe today for more English learning essentials such as: what is a verb? What is a noun? What is an adjective? What is a pronoun? What is an adverb? What is a preposition? What is an interjection? What is a conjunction? If you'd like to keep learning off screen, check out Boana Learning for free worksheets at boanalearning.com.